We're going to do this a little differently. Typically we would write up a little weather blog, but we're going to try and do one video version wise and see how this goes, and maybe we'll do more of these. So we're going to talk about the perihelion, and this occurred on January 2nd, so just a couple days ago. And believe it or not, we are closer to the sun now than we are during the summer months. We're at 91.4 million miles away from the sun. And during the summer months, July 5th, where we're the farthest away from the sun, we're 94.5 million miles away from the sun. Doesn't seem like much, which really isn't in terms of outer space, but we are closer to the sun during the winter. And it's called perihelion. Now the difference is why this is the coldest time of the year for us, but in the summer months in the southern hemisphere is now. And so they are more of a direct shot at the sun. So the sun's rays hit directly on the southern hemisphere, while on the northern part of the hemisphere, we're tipped away. So now in the summer months, we get more of a direct shot at the sun's rays, so therefore we see warmer temperatures than the southern hemisphere, which they are tipped away from the sun. So there you go. Even though we are closer, it's not necessarily the distance between, but it's the angle that the sun is hitting Earth. So perihelion comes from Greek roots, peri meaning near, and helios meaning the sun. So you're close to the sun. So there you go on that. Here's a picture taken by Ian Griffin. Now this is the perihelion. This was taken in when it's the farthest away from the sun. And then there's the perihelion. So the camera shot actually is the sun, and it's one side of it, and there's another side. So they sort of put the image together. But I want to show you this. When you zoom in really tight, yes, we are closer, but just by a little hair. So there's the difference between the two shots. This is when we're farther away from the sun, and this is when we are closer to the sun. Ian Griffin took that picture, so we appreciate being able to share that with you and show you the difference. So that's where we are. We've got some warmer days ahead, I'm sure, as we head into spring, but still got a long winter to go. We'll see how these video blogs go over the next couple of weeks and months, and if you like them, good. Hopefully you do. We'll do more of these and more topics from all the meteorologists.